Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn what a rundown means. Alright, so to find out what this means, stay tuned. But first, I hope you remember last week's class because we're going to do a quick review. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you what kind of management style do you like? Okay, so you don't like the style that's too controlling. Alright, so what do you say using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Are you ready? Okay, and go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and time is up. If you said, I like a hands-off approach, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's find out what a rundown means. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so I see my colleague Taro, and I say, Taro, you weren't at the kickoff meeting earlier, so maybe we're starting a new project, and we had a meeting, but he was unable to attend, probably because he was very busy. So Taro says, yeah, I'm sorry. Can you give me a summary? All right, so what are the key points you discussed? What kind of decisions did you guys make? All right, so give me a summary. Yes, this is fine. No problem. I understand what you want, but you might hear a native English speaker say, sorry, can you give me a rundown? Okay, so a rundown is simply a summary. All right, so what are the key points? What are the main things that were discussed and decided? So it's a rundown. So it could be a rundown of the meeting, or a rundown of the week, or a rundown of your accomplishments, anything, okay? So a rundown is a summary of something, okay? All right, so pronunciation, it's a rundown, all right? So it's all nicely joined and smoothly connected here. So please repeat after me. Can you give me a rundown? A rundown, okay? Your turn. Good. Now, after my question, so you weren't at the kickoff meeting earlier. So, can you say? Sure. Can you give me a rundown? All right. So please remember this for next time. Okay, everyone. So our bonus question this week is another way to say, man, let's take a break. Okay? So maybe a quick break, a short break, maybe around 5 minutes. Okay, so that's a hint for you. So if you know a better way of saying this, please leave it in the comments below. If you don't know, but you're curious, you can find it in one of our previous videos. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.